is your assignment for today. Today you are going to represent each of these numbers in pictorial form and expanded form. Then you're going to answer questions about the value of the digits. You have your place value discs right here, so you're able to drag them to represent the number in the pictorial form. So here's the first question. There are 7,821 pieces of gum sold at the store. How would you represent this number pictorially? How would you represent this number in expanded form? What is the value of the digit 8? What is the value of the digit 2? So you're going to complete your place value chart. You're going to drag and drop all of your different place value discs to help you make it pictorially. You're going to write out the expanded form, and you're going to tell me what the value of the digit 8 is and what the value of the digit 2 is. Remember, for some of these, you're going to have to add a text box, so make sure you add that text box. Once you are finished, submit everything to Google Classroom. Here is the second question. Again, you have your place value discs. The question says there are currently 54,321 people that live in Elgin, Texas. How would you represent this number in pictorial form? How would you represent this number in expanded form? What is the value of the digit 5? What is the value of the digit 4? Again, you're going to complete your place value chart. You're going to drag your different place value discs to help you make the model pictorially. You're going to tell me what it is in expanded form. You're going to write the value of the digit 5 and write the value of the digit 4. Again, remember you have to add text boxes to some of these, so make sure you do that. When you're all finished, make sure you upload it to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. I'll see you later.